Meaning of gracious.
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 Gracious. The term gracious refers to someone who is kind, courteous, and displays a pleasant demeanor towards others. A person who is gracious is typically hospitable, considerate, and generous in their actions. They possess traits such as compassion, empathy, and understanding. A gracious individual often makes those around them feel valued and appreciated through their words and actions. In short, being gracious means showing kindness, thoughtfulness, and generosity towards others, and this can have a positive impact on both the giver and the receiver.